Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, this video actually is for you to know the apps you need to have if you want to start a content creation journey. Guys, if this is something you want to watch, kindly stick around.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Guys, I'll be talking based on what I used to achieve everything I used to do as a content creator. Guys, the first thing I want to talk about is your pictures. Guys, as a content creator, you need to take pictures, like aesthetic pictures. Basically, I use just 3 apps to edit my pictures. So to start taking pictures with my phone, I use just 3 apps to make it look so beautiful. Guys, the first app I use is Camera 360. Camera 360 is just for me to give it like a fine touch, a beautiful touch. And sometimes I actually use Camera 360 to also take pictures too. It's actually like a very good app if you want to edit your pictures. You don't even need to go and learn. It's a very easy app to go to. I use Camera 360 to edit my pictures. I also use Beauty Plus. After editing from Camera 360, guys, I'm always transferring into Beauty Plus because there are some effects that is not on Camera 360 that I actually love in Beauty Plus. Sometimes, guys, if I don't want to do too much with my pictures, I just take it to Beauty Plus and I edit. I also use Lightroom to give it this aesthetic or cinematic feels. Do you get? So to give my pictures aesthetic feel, I use Lightroom to just to do like a color grading kind of thing. I guess once in a while I used to use Facetune, but that is not actually my thing. So I only use Camera 360, Beauty Plus, and Lightroom. And once in a while I use Facetune to just edit my pictures. Guys, I have a video up for you, or you can check through my old videos, guys, on how I edit my pictures. Guys, this video is actually a very well detailed video if you want to learn how to edit your pictures. So after talking about pictures taking and the likes, let's talk about the apps you need to edit your videos. You should know me by now that I'm the queen of InShot. I love my InShot app. Like, InShot is just my easy go-to app. Like, you should wake me up now and tell me to edit a video, I'll use InShot because InShot is very easy to use. Guys, another one is CapCut. You should know CapCut, but I don't really like CapCut because it is expensive. Yeah, that is the reason why I don't really do CapCut. But apart from that, CapCut is actually a pro app. If you want to edit your video, CapCut is just so good. But guys, CapCut is expensive. Guys, another video editing software that I actually use is Viva Video. Guys, Viva Video have been in existence since ages. Since when I was in, maybe, I don't know, but I've been using Viva Video for a very long time. And guys, Viva Video is still serving the purposes till now. Viva Video is actually one of the best editing software that I have actually used and I trust it, and I can actually recommend to you guys to use. That's a content creation journey. We know that, okay, we have pictures, we have videos. Guys, one thing you need is how to get your banner, your thumbnail, your logo. The easiest app that you can use is Canva. It gives this professional effect you get to your thumbnail and even to every other thing you want to edit. So for my banner, for my logo, for my thumbnail, I use Canva. But once in a while, I used to use InShot, especially if I want to put text in the background like this, yeah, like that. I use InShot for this, and it's very, very easy. Guys, let me know if you want to learn how to put text behind your back for your video or for your pictures. Guys, I'll actually be so glad to make a video on that. So if you want to learn that, let me know in the comment section below. Other apps you need for YouTube, guys, you need your YouTube Studio. As the name implies, it's a studio where you can get a lot of things done. Like, you can do a lot with your YouTube app. A lot can be done with YouTube Studio. Do you get that? So if you want to edit your videos, if you want to add tags, add a guys, so many things can be done with your YouTube Studio. Another app I think people are sleeping on that I use is TubeBuddy. It's not this picture that people used to put like their milestones and everything. You can get this picture with your TubeBuddy. I have this app on my phone and I actually use it often. As we are talking about being a content creator, surely you have to have your Instagram app, you have to have your TikTok app, you have to have your Facebook app, you have to have all those apps. Like, they are very, very important for you to have. Because you want to be a content creator, why don't you have Instagram on your, why don't you have Instagram app, why don't you have TikTok app? All these apps are very, very important for you to have. For all my music, on my vlogs, or any type of music I use, guys, they are mainly from YouTube Studio. So that is why you need to have YouTube Studio. You get your music from YouTube Studio, guys. Another app you can actually get your music from is actually Epidemic Sounds, but guys, it is also expensive. You have to pay a certain amount of money to be able to use those music. Do you get? So I don't really use that because We are doing everything for free over here. Another app I think you need, most especially if you have ideas and you don't know how to like put your ideas together for videos, guys, it is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is actually an app you should have as a content creator on your phone, because like it actually helps with a lot of things, most especially when you are stuck with ideas or you want to create a video and you don't even know how to go about it. With the help of ChatGPT, guys, it's going to help you to like achieve it. ChatGPT should actually be your friend, guys. Anyways, guys, this is going to be a very short video. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have any question concerning apps you need to use to start your content creation journey, or maybe you have a personal question even not pertaining to this, guys, let me know in the comment section, guys. Anyways, guys, in case you are seeing my face for the very first time, guys, hi guys, my name is Becca, a YouTuber based in Badon, Nigeria. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.